Well, hey guys! Summer is officially coming to an end, and if you are feeling unprepared, don't worry, you are not alone. Fortunately, we have the Flora Fun Box heading your way the first week of September. We asked you what you wanted to see most in our autumn box, and we listened. So I'm excited to show you today what those items are that are coming your way that first week of September. Starting with our Sandbar square vase. It's a high-end, luxurious ceramic, this off-white, beautiful coloring. It's going to look beautiful with those bright autumn colors shining out from it. And as always, I always promise to send you a vase that will look good on a shelf with or without flowers, and this one delivers. So I'm excited to send this one to you coming up in September. Now, if you're feeling a little concerned on how to arrange in a vase that's that low to the table and how to get those branches to stay in, don't worry, I always have you covered. My goal is to make things as easy and efficient as possible. So we are sending you our secret weapon. Ready? It's called a flower pin frog. Now, why have you never seen something like this before? Well, it's because we florists hoard them. They're a little bit more expensive and a little fancier, so we don't just send them out to anybody. We save these for our most luxurious and beautiful design work. And you get to have one too. This bad boy is gonna make everything effortless, and you won't believe how easy it is. We'll send you everything you need to properly install it, and of course, our video library will show you how. So make sure you log on to your video library on September 1st to get a good inside view into just how to install this frog properly. Next up in our autumn box is a flower drying kit. We send you everything you need to properly dry those flowers. You might think you know how to dry flowers, but you're gonna learn the best way to preserve them, to preserve shape, to preserve color, all the best techniques. So that will be in your video library on September 1st, and the actual flower drying kit will be in your box when it arrives on your doorstep. Now, I've saved the best for last. We asked everybody what comes to mind when you're thinking of fall, and you guys said apples and baking. Now, I'm not an expert in either of those, so I've invited the head pastry chef of Rue Claire in Seattle to come and show us a thing or two about baking pastries. We're gonna be making 3 kinds of apple pastry. So of course I wanted to give you everything you need to keep up with her as she shows us those pastry techniques, starting with your mini pie crust tart shell. She picked out this tart shell special for you guys. It's going to make a beautiful modern design in our little mini tarts. And she's even included her own special pie crust recipe. It's sized so that you can make a lot, or you can even just make one little tart at a time. I can't wait to see what she does with that. She's even going to show you how to make a free-form apple galette, and she's going to show us how to make a honeycomb pie crust topping with honey drizzle. So I found you the perfect, cutest little honeycomb cutter that she will be using to demonstrate this for you. Extra tart shells will be available to purchase in case you're like me and want to bake 6 pie tarts at a time and then give them to all your neighbors and friends. So treat yourself to something creative and fulfilling. Order your autumn box by Flora Fun, or gift it to somebody else you know, maybe someone who's cooped up at home. All right, wishing you a safe and healthy autumn. I'll see you in your video library on September 1st. There you'll learn something new before making something beautiful.